for not being here today. Unfortunately, my event that was supposed to be at 10 p.m. tonight, it changed the event and turned it into an afternoon program. This is for Yakult. It's a corporate show and it has contracts, so I have no choice but be here and of course fulfill my duties. But please do know that my heart is with all of you. I am so happy for Mars Toots on his grand event. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa support at sa pagmamahal sa aking Marcy. Napaka-hardworking. Siyempre, idol natin lahat yan. And napakabait. And we are all so blessed na nakilala at nakasama. At today, makakasaya na naman natin ang ating idol. So, happy birthday, Mars Toots. Thank you for always being super kind, gracious, and of course an inspiration to all of us in the dance fitness community for being so disciplined, of course hardworking, and maintaining your physique as well as always staying humble. Ang dami-dami talagang nagmamahal sa'yo. Kasama na ako dyan. I admire you so much and I wish nothing but more blessings and many more years of dance. And of course, love with your friends, the family, and the Retro Groove family. I love you so much, and promise, babawi ako. But I hope that you all have a wonderful event today, and I wish you all the best. Enjoy, humata kayo ng bonggang-bongga, and live life to the fullest, and just always enjoy. Stay healthy and fit, everyone, and more power to Retro Groove at sa lahat ng mga instructors natin na nagbibigay ng lakas at inspiration sa ating mga dance fitness enthusiasts. I love you all and I wish you nothing but more happiness and good health. Enjoy your event today and I promise, very soon magkaka-event din tayo dyan. For the love, and of course, dahil sobrang mahal na mahal ko ang San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. I love you all. Enjoy! See you soon! Take care!
And syempre, ayan, sasayaw pa rin si Miss Red sa atin. Alright, play the VTR. Please, sabayan natin to, ha? Let's go. Music and sayaw tayo. Let's go. Hey! Here we go! Birthday, a friendship. Venue po ay for the love na. Sagot ni Vice, thank you Vice sa aking venue na delivery mo. I love you Vice. Thank you.
Huwag sa buhay, tama?
Yeah, tama.
Kaya sabi ko kanina sa mga survivor, cancer survivor, laban lang, no? Laban lang. Bawal ang sumuko. Laban lang sa buhay. Kaya sa iyo, patuloy kang